Hello, let's solve this problem here quickly. So we have this equation here. The question says 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x equals 200. What's the value of x? Okay. So now this is exponential equation. 5x plus 5x, 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x. So we have this to be 2 multiplying 5 to the power x. It means 5 to the power x doubled times 2, then equals 200. So now from there, so we can see that we can reduce this equation by dividing through by 2. So this will be 5x equals, here we're going to have what? This to be 100, because 200 divided by 2 will give us 100. So now from here, so the next thing we are going to do is that just take the log of both sides. With respect to base 10, we have log 10, and this 10 or this 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. So we have x will come down, we have x log 5, then equals this 2 will come down, also we have log 10. So now from there, so we know that log 10, and this is with respect to 10, so this will give us 1, right? So that is what we are going to use here. So this one we turn to 1. We have 2 times 1, then x log what? X log 5. So from there we have x to be equals 2 times 1 will give us 2. We have 2 all over log 5, right? So that is the solution. We have x to be equals 2 over log 5. But we can, if you do the checking, right, so just put this value, okay, back to this main equation. You are going to get 5 to the power of x. What is our x? 5x plus 5x equals 200. So now we have what? We have 5 to the power of, what is my x? We have 2 over log 5, right, plus 5 raised to power 2 over log 5, right, then equals 200. All right, so in order not to waste much of our time on this, because we are just trying to check, you can just use your calculator, try to compute this left hand side. So you're going to see that everything here is going to be 200, then equals 200, right? So we show that the value of x, 2 over log 5, is the solution to the problem up there. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly share this to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Bye bye.